When you set up your 14-day free trial of Pages 365, you get to choose immediately from one of our website templates. As you can see here, we've got dozens and dozens to choose from. So let's say you go through and you're looking at one of these templates and you think you want to go ahead and give it a try. You like the way that it looks and you think you can customize it for your business. Well, sometimes what happens is you decide halfway through that you don't like it now that you see it and you're in there messing around with it. No problem, easy solution. All you've got to do is come up here to the My Sites and Funnels, click on it, and you can see right here, you've got funnels and you've got websites. You can click on websites and hit create new website. So all you've got to do is let's go ahead and create a new website. Now, I get to choose from all the templates again. They're in a little different format here, you can see. All these other templates in here can be customized. All you've got to do is, let's go ahead and select this one. So then you go ahead and say this is going to be your test version 2.0. Hit submit. Just like that, this template is now inside my builder. And now when I go into my websites, you can see right down here is test 2.0. Here's my Heckam test, my other ones, but you can see my main one is right here. These are not active because they have the little pause symbol by them. So all you've got to do is deactivate your current website and make this one your new one by clicking the gear and saying make active. Now I can only have one website on this account, so I'm not going to do it right now to show you, but basically that's what you would do if you decided you wanted to switch up your website. And the same thing holds true with any of your funnels. You can have a ton of different funnels that you're working on in there, and within your plan pricing, all you've got to do is either make it inactive or make it active by clicking the gear right here in the settings. And that is the beauty of how flexible this software is.